Vacuum circuit breakers. A vacuum circuit breaker is a sealed vacuum pot or flask with the contacts. A vacuum acts as a medium of insulation and arc extinguishing. The moving contact is moved by a particular mechanism and the arc gets extinguished at first crossing of current through zero amplitude. In such breakers, vacuum, the degree of vacuum ranges from 10 to the power of -7 to 10 to the power of -5 torr, is the medium used for arc quenching. As vacuum has the highest insulating strength, the arc quenching properties of vacuum are the best compared to all the media used for arc quenching.
ఈ వీడియో నచ్చినట్లయితే లైక్ చేయండి, షేర్ చేయండి. మరిన్ని లేటెస్ట్ అప్డేట్స్ కోసం మా ఛానల్ను సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేయండి.